Hi everyone, it's Deborah and it's What I Made Wednesday. I know, you see Christmas cards. Well, yeah, you do. I'm doing it. So, I do make a lot of Christmas cards and donate them for Operation Kindness and a couple of other organizations. And so I wanted to get a head start. You're going to see some Christmas cards. So I did finish off. I had a few sheets of paper, maybe 6 or 7 sheets of the 6x6 double pad, and I went ahead and cut everything out and used that paper along with I used some of this. I think I bought this off of Temu. So I used some of this paper as well, and I did use the Christmas embossed. I plan on this paper right here. This is cute. I plan on cutting mats or strips or whatever I feel like, with that. So anyway, let me tell you what I did. I have a very simple recipe for the cards. So all you're going to do, let me show you. Let me get a piece of paper real quick. And we'll do one real quick. So very simple recipe. These little panels right here are, give me just a moment, 5 1/4 by 2. Okay, so all you do is take a piece of paper. I mean, this is great for busting up your 6x6 paper pads, and this would work with any type of paper pad, any season, etc. You're going to cut it down to 5 1/4. Save that little strip. You can use that, and then you'll just cut strips down to 2 inches. That's it. The easiest and cutest card. I think it's cute. I think it's simple, and you can make any type of card with that. And you would just cut whatever paper you want, mix and match, and go to town on making them. So let me go through the cards that I did make with the paper. I wanted to bust a 10-pack of these cards from Dollar Tree. I like to do that. I like to bust a 10-pack, and then that's 10 cards made right away. So here we go. We'll go through them real quick. They're cute. They're just simple little cards. Very, very simple, and I just, let the paper and the cut aparts do the work, and didn't, add anything else. Some of these go to children, so I don't add anything that can come off the card. Okay, so just, keep it very, very simple. So you're going to see a lot of Christmas cards. But you can package these up, and you'll see on Friday I did a video on this, how to package cards for a craft show if you wanted to use these for a craft show. But this is my challenge right now. I'm trying to make as many cards as I can, and if you want me to do a tutorial and show you my process, I'll be glad to do that. But I just wanted to show you real simple. Like, here's some that I've cut out strips, and then of course the cut aparts. But here's some other paper pads that I plan on using to make cards. The Sprinkle Shop. I just want to focus on the 6x6s because they're easy for me to work with. So, but anyway, let me know what you think. If you want a tutorial, I'll be glad to do a tutorial, and we'll do the process of how I make the cards. But it's very, very, very simple. Anyway, thank you guys. You have a great day. Bye.